In this video, I'm going to show you how to add session breaks on TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to ensure that you are on an intraday time frame, okay? So this is going to be like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, 30, or something like that, okay? So whenever you do that, you want to go to the top right and click on the settings button, and you want to go to events, and you want to select session breaks and check mark them. Now, of course, here you can change the color if you want to, as well as your thickness. I'm just going to leave it like it is and click on OK. Now, as you can see, I'm currently on the time frame, which is 1 hour, so it's showing these over here, the session breaks. But if I go and switch this, for example, to something like 1 day over here, you'll see that those no longer are going to be visible, okay? And that's because those can only be seen on the intraday, as I said. So if I go to, for example, like 1 minute, they're going to be showing. If I go to, for example, like 5 minutes, they're showing as well. 15, 30, etc. That's going to work. But of course, if you go like multiple days, then unfortunately, those are not going to be showing on your chart, okay? So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.